Trex Lens AI. Your factory floor is a constant source of data. Your manufacturing execution systems, your machine sensors, your quality control stations, a relentless river of information. But where are the answers to critical questions about downtime or OEE? Too often they're buried in complex reports, costing you valuable production time. The wait is over. It's time to end the complexity and bring clarity to your operations. Meet the revolution in manufacturing intelligence, introducing Trex Lens AI. Stop waiting for IT and forget complex code. Simply ask your most critical manufacturing questions in plain language and let our AI do the heavy lifting. Our AI understands manufacturing language, instantly analyzing your question. It then auto-selects the perfect chart, turning complex data into a visual insight. Connect all your scattered data silos. From MES and SCADA to quality systems, Lens AI unifies your entire manufacturing operations management data into one powerful view. Confident. Move from reactive to proactive intelligence. Schedule your most important questions and get answers delivered automatically to you via email, Slack, or push notification. This is what instant intelligence looks like. Predict machine failures, find the root cause of scrap, and optimize your overall efficiency with data, not guesswork. Stop letting your data's potential go to waste. Visit our website to see how Trex Lens AI can transform your factory. Today, Trex. Beyond intelligence.
Trex Digital Manufacturing.